Can you watch YouTube on the PlayStation Portal? Absolutely. The PlayStation Portal, released in November 2024, functions as a remote play device that mirrors your PS5 screen. This handheld device features an 8-inch LCD screen and built-in controls, making it perfect for portable gaming and media consumption. While it excels at streaming games from your PS5 over Wi-Fi, it also allows access to PS5-installed apps, including YouTube. To watch YouTube, you'll stream it from the YouTube app installed on your PS5. As of September 2025, there's no native YouTube app directly on the portal itself, so accessing the PS5's YouTube app via remote play is the way to go. This setup leverages the portal's remote play technology to mirror your PS5's interface, allowing you to browse and play YouTube videos on the go. The experience supports up to 1080p resolution with low latency in optimal Wi-Fi conditions, though some advanced features like 4K or full search filters are limited due to console constraints. You'll use the portal's touchscreen and button controls for navigation, making it convenient for casual viewing. Before you can start watching YouTube on your PlayStation Portal, ensure your PS5 and Portal are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for stable streaming. Your PS5 needs to be running the latest firmware, which you can check and update in the system settings. Additionally, download and install the free YouTube app from the PlayStation Store on your PS5. A stable internet connection of at least 10 Mbps is recommended, and your PS5 should be in rest mode during streaming to maintain the connection. Next, enable remote play in your PS5 settings. Navigate to Settings, System, Remote Play, and toggle Enable Remote Play to on. This allows the portal to connect and mirror your PS5's screen. You'll also see options for linking devices and viewing connection history, which are useful for troubleshooting. Finally, link your portal to your PS5 using your PlayStation Network account. On the portal, open the Remote Play app and select Link Device. Follow the prompts to pair with your PS5, which may involve signing into your PSN account or using the PS5 mobile app for assistance. Once linked, the portal will display your PS5's home screen, and you can launch the YouTube app to start streaming. This pairing process ensures secure, authenticated access to your PS5's content. Once your portal is linked to your PS5, the first step is to open the Remote Play app on the portal. This action mirrors your PS5 home screen directly onto the portal's display, providing a real-time, interactive interface. This mirroring technology ensures that any app or game on your PS5 can be accessed remotely with minimal latency in optimal conditions. The portal's 8-inch LCD screen and built-in controls make this experience portable and convenient, bridging the gap between console and handheld gaming. Next, navigate to and launch the YouTube app on the mirrored PS5 screen. The app, developed by Google, integrates seamlessly with the PlayStation ecosystem. Signing in with your Google account is crucial for accessing your subscriptions, watch history, and personalized content. Use the portal's virtual keyboard for input or scan a QR code with your phone for faster authentication. This step ensures a tailored YouTube experience, leveraging the PS5's processing power while maintaining privacy through secure Google integration. With YouTube launched and signed in, you can now browse videos through intuitive navigation. The portal's touchscreen supports swipe gestures for scrolling through recommendations and tapping to select content, mimicking smartphone interactions. Alternatively, the DualSense-style buttons offer tactile feedback for play-pause, volume control, and menu navigation. This dual-input system enhances usability, making it easy to discover and enjoy content on the go, with the portal's ergonomic design supporting extended viewing sessions. To optimize your YouTube experience, prioritize network quality. Wi-Fi 6 provides faster speeds and lower latency compared to older standards, ensuring smooth streaming at up to 1080p. Maintaining proximity within 10 meters of the PS5 reduces signal interference and connection drops, as the remote play technology relies on stable Wi-Fi for real-time mirroring. This setup maximizes the portal's potential, delivering a near-console experience for media consumption. Finally, fine-tune your settings by adjusting video quality within the YouTube app, though it's limited to 1080p due to PS5 constraints. If you encounter streaming issues such as lag or audio synchronization problems, first verify Wi Fi signal strength and device proximity. Keeping both the PS5 system software and YouTube app updated is essential, as firmware patches address known issues like delays, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable viewing experience on the portal.